Natalie Peters. I'm going to be mixing insulin. So I'm going to walk into my room. I'm going to verbalize hand washing. I'm going to get my supplies. I have my insulin syringe and insulin needle. I have my N and R insulins. I have my alcohol swabs and gloves. I'm going to check the medication against the order. I need 20 units of the Insulin N, which I'm going to roll in my hands if I need to mix it. And then I need 6 units of Insulin R. So now I can start to draw my insulin. I already washed my hands, so I can put on my gloves. Going to get my alcohol swab and clean the tops off. Okay, and I'm going to draw up my my NPH last, so I'm going to insert the air first. I'm going to uncap my needle safely, making sure that I don't contaminate the cap. I'm going to draw up 20 units of air into my vial. Into my, and then I'm going to inject it into the NPH, making sure that my needle does not touch the liquid. And then I'm going to inject 6 units of air into my needle and inject it into the R. And at this point I will flip it over and I'll draw up 6. I'm going to make sure there's no air bubbles, and then I'm going to show this to the nurse, to another nurse, and then I'm going to draw up my 20 units of my NPH, which will give me a total of 26. I need to do this slowly because if I, once I mix them, I can't inject any out. I'm going to make sure there's no air bubbles. And then I'm going to check this with another nurse. And then I'm going to safely recap my needle and go give it to the patient.